losing the duel at the Arogan MotoGP, Marquez admits it is difficult to find Bagnaia's weak points. Marc Marquez assesses that Francesco Bagnaia performed perfectly in the 2021 Arogan MotoGP race. He had to admit the superiority of Francesco Pecco Bagnaia, Ducati Lenovo, who won the race for 23 laps. The Spanish racer has actually struggled to compete with Bagnaia in the race for the pole position. It was proven by Marquez several times, successfully taking over Bagnaia's position towards the end of the race. Crash noted that the baby alien made 7 attempts to take Bagnaia's place since the 21st lap. However, Marquez's efforts were covered by Bagnaia's perfect performance, so he had to settle for the second podium. "I didn't find a gap to overtake because he braked later than me and accelerated better," said the Repsol Honda rider.